Welcome to Mkidi Studios.
What's up guys, boy over here Mkidi Studios. Today I want us to check out Higgsfield Cinema Studio feature. So stop scrolling, you're looking at the future of filmmaking and it was generated by AI. What if I told you in the next 7 minutes you're going to learn how to create shots that look exactly like this without even touching a camera? So for years, AI videos have been a mess of inconsistent results, technical prompts, and brute force iteration. It was theatrical, but now everything changes. Welcome to Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing generation AI companies with a single clear mission to be the most creator-friendly platform on the planet, and they just dropped their game changer, Cinema Studio. So to get that cinematic quality, that film-like look, you need a high-end camera, lenses, lighting, a crew, and years of experience. So AI tried to solve this, but it just added a layer of confusion, technical jargon. Cinema Studio is different. It's a creator-first workflow that takes care of the entire film production process, right inside Higgsfield. We're moving beyond just throwing text at a model. So this is a new way to create. You start from a single intentional frame, a perfect image, and you turn it into a polished, seamless shot. It's designed to help you get that premium film-like look with simple creative choices, not technical prompting. So forget cling, forget view. So forget wrestling with models that require dozens of iterations to get one usable click. Cinema Studio found the settings that actually work and wrapped them into one tool. You get consistent results without the brute force iteration. This is cinema quality at scale. So enough talk, let's jump into the studio and show you how easy this is. I'm logged into Higgsfield AI and here we're in the new Cinema Studio interface. Every great shot starts with a great image. I'm not typing out a crazy 200-word prompt here. I'm thinking like a cinematographer. A lone astronaut standing on a misty alien planet, cinematic lighting, wide shots. So let me place this prompt inside Higgsfield. Let's see how it's gonna react. So in Higgsfield, you can see it's you have the explore image, video, edit, character in paint, Cinema Studio, assist, apps and community. So here down you have the image tab, we have the video tab, we have the movements, seconds, sound, motion. You can make a start frame and an end frame. Let's prompt to see. You need to first make the first frame and then the end frame. I'm generating this first start frame with Cinema Studio, the image generator. The prompt is one lone astronaut standing on a misty alien planet, cinematic lighting, wide shot. Let's generate, we see if it's going to generate. So it's generating. Higgsfield is amazing, man. No joke, Higgsfield is amazing. It has generated a very dope start frame. Let me generate an end frame. But I'm saying Higgsfield is very dope. So let's just see. We see what it's going to make. Yeah, but this is dope. It's cooking. So it has cooked. I've gotten a good start frame and a good end frame from Higgsfield. So let's now go back to the video generator. Let's load the prompt plus the start frame and the end frame. So and then now you click generate. So let's now generate. So at least with Higgsfield, everything is straightforward. There are no multiple prompts. At least if you have your prompts, okay, everything is going to be good. Let's jump into the studio and show you how easy this is. I'm logged into Higgsfield AI. So every great shot starts with a great image. I'm not typing out a crazy 200-word prompt here. I'm thinking like a cinematographer. I want a lone astronaut standing on a misty alien planet, cinematic lighting, wide shot. Check that out. That is gorgeous. High fidelity image. Now, here is where the magic happens. We are going to turn this still frame into a fully realized control shot. We have full cinematic control. Notice the simple dials. I don't need to type Dolly in slow. I just need to select the camera move to dolly in and set the speed to slow, maximum intent. And here is our finished shot. Look at the subtle movement, the lighting, the realism. So let's try one more example to show you the power of cinematic intent. So I want a medium close-up shot of an old wizard looking directly at the camera. I'll set the camera to move to a subtle left pan and give it a vintage film look. So look at the texture on his robe, the depth of field. This is why Higgsfield Cinema Studio is a major step toward real AI camera. The early tests are already proving it. AI cinema is no longer theoretical. Kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. I'll truly do appreciate. So what does this mean to you? It means if you have a story in your head, you can bring it to life with studio quality videos without any prior filmmaking experience or technical know-how. Higgsfield is making the power of the strongest AI models accessible to everyone. So what does this mean for you? It means that if you have a story in your head, you can bring it to life with studio quality video without any prior filmmaking experience or technical know-how. Higgsfield is making the power of the strongest AI models accessible to everyone. If you're currently paying high prices for platforms that are just reselling models, if you're using brute force prompting and spending hours iterating, you need to switch. This is the cheapest AI platform offering this level of unmatched quality and control. I highly encourage you to try this for yourself. The link to Higgsfield Cinema Studio is right down in the description. Stop waiting for the future of AI cinema. It's here. Go create. Hit that link. I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to Kitty Studios.